Welcome to this week's video. In this episode, conditions is in my favor. Due to some light rain, I had to let my Osmo Pocket rest in my backpack. And a few clips are not as crisp and delicious like the rest. My apologies for that.
I'm traversing deep snow. It's kind of heavy. It is so beautiful here now with all this mist rolling in. Planning to walk around this lake. Just found my next subject. It's an old spruce tree with some troll's bed on it. And I forgot my tripod at home, but I do it handheld and try to get the camera as stabilized as possible. So here's the images I captured from this area. I'm walking deep in the forest now, in the snow, and every once in a while I hope I get to see an image to work with, because I'm getting so tired. But yeah, there's a very messy here, a lot of trees, but sometimes I spot one old, crooked, gnarly, nice tree here, and we got the fog rolling in slightly, not much, but occasionally there's a little bit thicker than usual. This is a beautiful woodland, but it's very hard to traverse in the snow without any tubs or skis. I just found myself a composition, and I just lay down for the stabilization. I zoom all the way in to avoid distractions, and yeah, narrow aperture 6.3, and that gives me a shutter speed of 1/60 with ISO 1000. So yeah, I don't want to increase my ISO more than that. That's more than enough. found a couple of nice subjects that was interesting to my eyes, but I have a really hard time capturing it and create an image from that, what I see. So I stay here for a little bit. Tricky when you get stuck like this. I don't want to move on, I just want to continue and make it work. And that's not always up to the case, is it? Thank you for watching today's video. I'm soon to be back in my car now. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this week's episode. And I hope you stay tuned in the future. Please hit that notification bell and like and subscribe if you want to see more coming from my landscape photography. Out.